Hello everybody, welcome to another Halloween product review. Today I'm going to be taking a look at something that I bought toward the end of last season. I know it's been several months since Halloween, but this is one of those things that I just bought and never got around to testing with you guys. So I thought we would do it today. And the reason I thought we would do it today is because I was actually rummaging around through my cabinets in the kitchen the other day, and I found this bag of Tootsie Roll midges. And I thought, ugh, I'm desperate for some candy. I will just maybe sneak one or two. So I opened it up, and I realized for some reason I used this bag to stash all of my good candy from last year. And so I'm going to put it in my bowl I got in my last haul there. There are a couple of Tootsie Rolls in here, but it's got the good stuff. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and Crunches and all the things I should be avoiding. So that was a nice little surprise. But this is actually a Pinata decorating kit. I got it from Target. I can't remember at this point how much it cost. I'm guessing it was only a couple of bucks. I don't see a price on here. Oh yeah, there is actually. It was $3. So this tag says made in China, of course, and it's from a company called madeforretail.com. So I haven't looked them up, but if you want to, go for it. This is, again, the pumpkin pinata decorating kit, so I'm guessing that there are a couple of other ones that they had. Maybe they'll have them this year too, I don't know. But let's go ahead and see what this is like. All right, so what do you think? Unfortunately, I can't share with you the assembly video because I forgot to hit the record button on the camera as I was putting it together. So, what do you think? Does it look like it? I don't know. Some of the problems with this is I don't have time or patience for this sort of craftiness. Now, the box really kind of shows complete coverage of this little cardboard pumpkin pinata shape. And really, once you get this fringe on here, it doesn't nearly cover it all. Maybe it might have if I had taken my time and really attempted to cover it, but it has these little adhesive strips that you have to pull off, and like they're several feet long, so they stick to each other, it sticks to the table, it sticks to everything except where you want it to. So you can kind of see on the back I ended up just fudging it a little bit because you end up, you don't know like how many layers you're supposed to do, so I had wrapped too much at the bottom or too much at the top, not enough at the bottom, so I had to go back to the bottom. I don't know, I guess I could have used scissors and tried to make it look a little nicer too, but it was kind of a fun project. But they say it's for like 3-year-olds. For kids, yeah, I can see how this would be fun, although they're probably really just going to want to get to the candy, which we're going to do here in a moment. But there aren't too many steps to this. It's just fill with candy, wrap with fringe, add the stickers. The stickers, by the way, once you can see my little eyeball here got ripped in two because it accidentally touched part of the fringe and then it's stuck and you can't move it. So he's kind of like a one-eyed winking sort of pumpkin, if you can even see that in the video. That one kind of comes off, but see, you kind of see once you start trying to peel it off, it's all stuck to the fringe. It's not going anywhere. It's best to just leave it be and go for it, and don't hope for perfection because you're not going to get it with this. So, like I said, I did fill it with candy. Still have some here left in my bowl. It was maybe 4 or 5 handfuls of candy, which you put in this little slot in the bottom, and that's it. So let's see if we can make it empty. See, I think with a pinata, you're supposed to, beat it with a stick. I have here my little pointer chopstick. Let's see what happens. All right. I don't know how much you're supposed to do this. It doesn't seem to want to rip. And we can stab it open. Oh, look, it's starting to come off. So let's see what happens. There we go. We'll force it along. Stab the pumpkin. Anyway, there we go. Yay! So that's how much candy was in there. It was a lot less, actually, than I thought I put in there. But that was the pumpkin pinata. It was good for a few minutes of entertainment. I mean, it took me 3 minutes to put this thing together at the most. I mean, it's really, you've got your 3 pieces of, oh, what do they call this? Fringe, and then the stickers on the front. So it really takes no time at all to assemble. Again, it'd be fun for a kid. I had fun kind of stabbing it just now. Maybe that's, just leave that be. Okay, so that's it for now. There's our fun Pinata pumpkin. If you see them out this year, now you'll know if you actually want to get them or not. For $3, it's kind of fun. But yeah. Also, it's small, so if you're gonna hang this up somewhere for little kids, I mean, I don't know. Is this just one of those little crafty things that aren't meant to actually be done? Do people really do these? Have you done one of these? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more product reviews. I'll try and do better next time. You know, I haven't done one of these Halloween product reviews in some time, so I'm out of practice. I can't believe I forgot to turn on the camera. So I'll do better. Stay tuned. Till next time, guys, happy haunting.